doggy.
Watch that concrete post.
Just random bits of glass everywhere. Beware of the falling fruits. Don't see that in Suffolk. Thousands and thousands of pieces. These are the furnaces. And there's two, one over there as well. And there's 5 things inside, so they make 5 different colours in each one. Glass everywhere. Yeah, it's urbex, but with a tour guide. Very strange. Sweet guide.
We place very fine rain on river sand at the middle and drip water onto it and onto the revolving outside wheel. Whenever we touch the sharp edges to the wheel, it makes the sharp and smooth. Like sandpapering the sharp edges.
It's everywhere. Thousands of pieces. It's ridiculous how much there is. Everywhere. Alive.
This is for Chinese New Year.
The security thing sounded like Star Trek Widdly Wees. Widdly Wee boxes. So basically at the gate waiting for our plane. 4th plane in the journey. Well, in our journey anyway. We're flying to Inle Lake. We're staying there for a long weekend. And then flying into Heho. Well, Heho. But I like Heho better. So we're just waiting for our flight, which is leaving from over there at some point.